So part 2, AC cover installs. So what we did is we're talking about efficiency. So this job is, again, these are things that not extensive, but again, they can cost pretty quick. The cost can start adding up. We can start getting to the negative real quick if we aren't efficient with it. So efficiency, one thing, getting our extension cords. We get everything laid out, lined up. So I got 2 extension cords, one to run the machine and on the 220, and one to run the hammer drill on 110. So we got those strung out. We got all our tools out here that we need. We got all our tools. We got our hammer drill. We've got our anchor bolts. We got our clamps. We got our hood. We got our welder. We got our posts, and we got our panels in our driver. So what we're gonna do is, first point of action is we're gonna set these base plates, get these set in. Then we're gonna get our posts up. So first we gotta drill our holes with our hammer drill, get those, get our anchors set in, then get our posts. I got 2 levels in my pocket. I've got MIG tips in my pocket. I've got wire cutters in my pocket. So if there's any issues, it's all right here. Got my hood. That's basically what we need for this job. So I shouldn't have to go to the truck once for this. Everything's here. So that's what we want to do, is we want to have everything here. Obviously we don't want it in the way. You want it in some order. This slab is clear, so I got a little bit of room to work with. So that's set up how we want it. So being efficient as we can, that's kind of the idea. That's what we want to do on every job site once we get a flow and understanding of what needs to be done. So everything's here. We're gonna get this knocked out, start setting these, and rock and roll with it. KBG Welding.